Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to create two equal column width in Microsoft Word. For this, you need to press Ctrl A to select the entire document. And if you want to skip this step, it's not necessary. And then you need to click out Layout on the top menu bar and click on this Columns and click on this More Columns. And here you need to select the two and make sure the equal column width should be checked out, and here you need to select the whole document, and if you want to insert a line between that, you need to click on that and now click OK to apply. And here you can see that the two equal column width has been created in Microsoft Word, and this is so simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can do that. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.